Greetings and Sat Nam. For most of us in the modern world, stress is a way of life. There's a lot of pressure, things are moving at a fast pace, there's a ton of information coming at us at any given time. So it is up to us to slow down and smell the roses. Now, we might not always be in the place or have the time or even in the mood to have a cup of tea or whatever it is we do to create our calm. But this is a meditation known as the Teapot Meditation that wherever we are, it's subtle enough that we can do to create the calm we need to feel functional wherever we are. This meditation is known as Chaya Kriya, and it helps to relax the body and mind. It's a great technique that can be done after a long day. However, it can be done any time of day when anxious feelings arise. As an added bonus, it's also known to keep the body vehicle young and healthy as we're flowing prana through the system. So here is how we do this teapot meditation. You can come into a sitting position. You can come into easy pose if you prefer to sit on your mat, or you can sit literally anywhere. But as you come into your sitting position, just notice your sitting bones rooting into the earthly realm and feel the earthly realm coming up to support you. So much of what we do on the mat is just enhancing our awareness, a greater awareness that we are in a physical body and we are connected to a physical realm. So as you come into a seated position, you'll have your spine nice and elongated, your back of the neck long, and your chin is tucked in. You're going to take your left hand and put it into a fist with the thumb on top, and then you're going to take your right hand and wrap it around the left and make up like a parallel with the thumbs. And you'll notice when you're looking at your thumbs, there's a teeny little peephole right there between the thumbs. That's good. Leave it there. Your elbows are going to come into the ribs, and you're going to raise the arms up, the hands up, till they're about maybe 8 inches from the face. You'll be taking a nice, long, deep, slow inhale through the nose. And as you exhale, you'll be exhaling through a rounded mouth. And the aim of your exhale is right in between your thumbs, right where there's that little gap space. That's where you want to blow the breath. Now, here's the thing. As you're exhaling the breath, you don't want to blow so hard that the breath spills out over the entire hands, but you also don't want to blow so lightly that you don't feel the breath moving between the thumbs. So there's that Goldilocks moment where you get the breath just right, not spilling over, but powerful enough where you can shoot the breath like it's almost as though you have a straw in between the thumbs. In Kundalini Yoga, we like to work with the sound current, also known as mantra. So when we work with breath work, we like to add a little mantra to the breath work because our mind is always vibrating something. So let's give it something high vibrational like a mantra to work with as we do our practice. In Kundalini, we often use the mantra Sat Nam. Sat means truth, Nam means name. So as you do your inhale thinking the sound Sat, truth. And as you exhale, think of the sound Nam, which means name. Essentially, you're just vibrating, I am the universal truth. The universal truth is known through me. Now, if Sat Nam doesn't resonate with you, pick a high vibrational word. You can inhale thinking the sound peace and exhale thinking the sound love. But it does help to anchor your mind into a high vibrational sound as you do your breath work. Let's give this very simple and very effective technique a try. We'll do it for just 3 minutes. That's a great starting point, but you can go up to 11 minutes or even more if you like. So once again, sitting in a comfortable position, feeling your sitting bones rooting into the physical realm and feeling the physical realm coming up to support you. Your spine is nice and elongated, back of the neck is long. Your eyes are closed and you're gazing inward and upward through the third eye point. You'll have your left hand in a fist, your right hand comes over the left, and there's that little gap in between the thumbs where you'll be blowing the breath into. Your elbows are into the ribs and the hands are up, the fists are up about 8 inches from the mouth. Your eyes are closed. Take a nice deep inhale. And as you exhale, blow the breath through the thumbs. Once again, nice deep long inhale. And exhaling the breath through the thumbs, trying not to blow so hard that it blows over, blowing powerful enough that you feel that breath like a straw, so that the breath is a straw between the thumbs. And notice how each breath becomes a little bit deeper, a little bit longer, a little bit smoother than the last, while keeping your awareness that the inhale and the exhale is of equal length. As the breath slows down, notice how the mind begins to slow down. There's a link between the mind and the breath. The mind will always follow the breath. On the next inhale, take a nice deep long inhale. Hold the inhale, and I want you to pull the pelvic muscles in, the navel in, third eye gaze. Just hold the body locks for a moment. Keep holding, gentle hold in the body. And then exhale, bring your hands onto the knees, wrists onto the knees, thumb and index fingers touching. And meditate here a moment. Just notice the shifts in your body. Notice the calm. Notice the clarity. Notice how you feel more supported in the physical realm, more aware, more receptive. And as you feel ready, you can open your eyes. And there you have a very simple, very effective technique to help us come into a place of calm when things are beginning to spin out of control, feel very anxious, feel very high strung. We have control over us. We are sovereign over self. Kundalini Yoga is a practice that gives us the tools to remind us of our sovereign truths. I hope the self-healing technique in this video serves you. If you would like to learn more about Kundalini, more self-healing, more about happenings at Jai Yoga Center, please subscribe to this channel. You can also find me on other social media realms. I look forward to connecting with you more. Sending love, sending light, sending healing. Sat Nam.